Good day, students. Welcome to this JSS 1 mathematics lesson on open sentences, your gateway to algebra. Everything you have studied in arithmetic so far has involved specific numbers. Algebra takes the next step. It lets us work with unknowns, numbers we do not yet know, using letters as placeholders. This is one of the most powerful ideas in all of mathematics. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to distinguish between true statements, false statements, and open sentences, identify the variable unknown in an open sentence, find the value that makes an open sentence true by inspection or substitution, and translate everyday Nigerian word problems into open sentences. Let us begin. A mathematical statement is a sentence that can be judged as either true or false. A true statement, 12 plus 5 equals 17. This is true, we can verify it. A false statement, 7 times 3 equals 22. This is false, 7 times 3 equals 21. Both of these are closed sentences, they are complete, with definite values, and have a determined truth value. An open sentence is different. It contains an unknown, a value we have not been told. Because of this, we cannot yet say whether it is true or false. Its truth depends on what value we substitute for the unknown. Examples of open sentences. N plus 5 is equal to 9. Is this true or false? It depends on what n is. If n equals 4, it is true. If n equals anything else, it is false. 3x minus 1 is equal to 11, true when x equals 4. False for any other value. Y is greater than 7, this is an open inequality, true for any y greater than 7, false otherwise. The unknown in an open sentence is called a variable. In n plus 5 is equal to 9, the variable is n, common letters used as variables, n, x, y, a, b, but any letter can be used. The choice of letter is a convention, not a fixed rule. The value that makes an open sentence true is called the solution or root of the sentence. Solving open sentences, 2 methods. Method 1, inspection, also called trial and error or mental calculation. Look at the sentence and reason about what value the variable must take. N plus 5 is equal to 9, what number plus 5 gives 9? 4. So n equals 4. 3x equals 24, what number times 3 gives 24? 8. So x equals 8. M minus 7 is equal to 11, what number minus 7 gives 11? 18. So m equals 18. 2y plus 1 is equal to 13, what number times 2 plus 1 gives 13? 12 minus 1 is 11. Try y equals 6, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Yes. Y equals 6. Inspection works well for simple equations, but becomes harder as equations grow complex. That is why we develop formal algebraic methods, covered in the simple equations lessons coming up. Method 2, substitution, checking a proposed solution. Given a possible solution, substitute it into the open sentence to check. Is x equals 3 the solution to 4x minus 2 is equal to 10? Substitute, 4 or 3, minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Yes. X equals 3 is the solution. Is y equals 5 the solution to 3y plus 1 is equal to 20? Substitute, 3 or 5, plus 1 is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16, 16 is not equal to 20. No, y equals 5 is not the solution. Translating word problems into open sentences. This is a critical skill, moving from words to algebra. Adi thinks of a number. When she adds 12 to it, the result is 30. What is the number? Let n equals the unknown number. Open sentence, n plus 12 is equal to 30. Solution by inspection, n equals 18. Emeka has some mangoes. He gives away 9 and has 14 left. How many did he start with? Let m equals the number of mangoes at the start. Open sentence, m-9 is equal to 14. Solution, m equals 23. A bus carries P passengers. After stopping to pick up 8 more, there are now 35 passengers. Find P. Open sentence, P plus 8 is equal to 35. Solution, P equals 27. The product of a number n and 6 is 54. Find n. Open sentence, 6n equals 54. Solution, n equals 9. Open sentences with inequalities. Not all open sentences are equations. Some use inequality signs. X greater than 4, x is greater than 4. True for x equals 5, 6, 7, and also for 4.1, 100, etc. 2x less than or equal to 10, 2 times x is less than or equal to 10. True when x less than or equal to 5. 3 examination questions. Example 1. Classify each as true, false, or open sentence. A. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22, true, 15 plus 7 is equal to 22, confirmed. B. 9 times 4 is equal to 35, false, 9 times 4 is equal to 36, not 35. C. 3n minus 4 is equal to 17, open sentence, contains unknown n, truth depends on value of n. D. Y plus y equals 2y, true for all values of y, this is an identity, always true. Example 2. Find the value of x that makes each sentence true. A. X plus 15 is equal to 23, x equals 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. B. For x equals 28, x equals 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. C. 2x plus 5 is equal to 19, 2x equals 14, x equals 7. D. X slash 3 equals 9, x equals 27. Example 3. Write an open sentence for each, then solve. I think of a number, double it, and subtract 5. The result is 13. Let n equals the number. 2n minus 5 is equal to 13. 2n equals 18. N equals 9. 3/4 of a number equals 30. 3/4, n equals 30. N equals 30 times 4/3 equals 40. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Treating a variable as a specific letter rather than a placeholder. The variable x in one problem has no connection to x in another problem, it is just a name for the unknown number. Do not assume x always equals the same value. Mistake 2. Classifying an open sentence as true or false without finding the solution. An open sentence is neither true nor false until a specific value is substituted. Mistake 3. Writing the open sentence with the wrong operation. I think of a number and add 7 to get 20. The open sentence is n plus 7 is equal to 20, not 7 plus 20 equals n. Always identify what is unknown. What operation connects it to the known values? What is the result? Excellent work. Let us summarize. A mathematical statement is either true or false. An open sentence contains a variable, unknown, we cannot determine its truth until a value is substituted. The solution is the value that makes the open sentence true. Methods: inspection, reason about the unknown, and substitution, check a proposed value. Translating word problems: identify the unknown, name it with a letter, write the equation. Open sentences may also be inequalities. For homework, write an open sentence and solve. A number added to 18 gives 45. B. 5 times a number minus 3 equals 22. C. Half of a number equals 16. Also, verify each solution by substitution. Attempt a quiz on your LMS. Keep studying hard. Visit LightTech Academy at academy.lightech.com.ng for more NERDC-approved lessons from JSS 1 to SS3. Powered by LightTech Solutions Limited. Until next time.